Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to install and set up the Visual Studio ExtendScript Debugger, which is an extension that allows you to debug your Adobe scripts. To install it, we need to click the Extension tab on the left, then search for ExtendScript. You will see a bunch of results pop up. We'll install the one from Adobe. You can see the name right here at the bottom. So click on it and then install. You'll know everything went correctly if you see a button appear at the bottom right corner. This button allows us to select which application we want to run the script in. If we click it, we'll see all the Adobe apps that are installed on this computer. I only have these ones currently installed, but obviously if you have more or less, your list will be different. We will be testing a script in After Effects, so I will select that one. And since it's not running, I'll click yes, and it will automatically start it for us. There are still a few things to set up. First of all, we need to specify which workspace our script will be in. I'll show you why this is important in a moment. To do that, just click on File, then Open, and select the directory you will keep your script in. I already have selected the Scripts UI Panels folder, and you can see all of them appearing here on the side. Next, we need to create a run configuration. So we'll switch to the Run tab, then click on the Create Launch.json file. It will ask us to select an environment, and we'll specify the ExtendScript Debug option. This will automatically create a folder with a file for us, but there are a few things we need to change. First of all, the name string. This is just a tag that will appear as the name of the configuration up here. This is useful if we have different configurations in the same directory, so you can know which one you're running at a glance. We can really name it whatever we want, but since we'll debug the renamer script, I will call it renamer. The second thing to change is this program string. This is the path to the script to debug, divided in two parts. The first is the name of the script, so right here renamer.jsx. The second is the workspace folder tag, but since we already selected the right workspace before, we don't need to change it, and we'll automatically find the path to the script. Hit save and we're done. Now if we click run, we'll see the script executing in After Effects perfectly. Let me know if you have any questions or doubt, and see you in the next tutorial.